得这里建筑的颜色什么颜色比较多？
好，林长，你认识的红布仔，现在上
Hello, this is Joyce.
Jordan here.
Hey Jordan, where are we today?
Oh, today we're at 台南圣母庙.
台南圣母庙。昨天呢，我们在延平郡王祠，那里是日式的建筑。可是你说比较像紫禁城，对不对？
Yeah, I think I like the Chinese style a lot more actually. You know, when I was a kid, I played a video game called Command and Conquer Generals, and all the war buildings there looked exactly like this Chinese style. It helped inspire me to come to Taiwan one day.
OK， 但是我觉得这里更像紫禁城诶。你看我们旁边还有很像护城河的桥，还有流水。那护城河的英文怎么说？
Oh, that's called a moat.
How to spell?
M-O-A-A. They can just read the subtitles. You tricked me.
Okay, please read the subtitles. 还有你觉得这里的颜色，建筑的颜色，什么颜色比较多？
Oh, well, I would definitely say orange.
Orange， 但是我觉得好像红色比较多。
Huh? All right, everyone. Watch the video and comment down below. Who do you think is right? Me or Joyce?
Okay, let's take a look.
All right, everyone, let's go look at it. The Notre Dame Temple is located on Chungbei Road on the north side of Annan District. In the 49th year of the Republic of China, the talent and appearance were changed, and it was named the Temple of Our Lady Luerman. From the 64th year of the Republic of China to the current site, the new wood and temple were built. Presently, the whole temple is divided into three main halls. The front hall is the Wuwang Hall, the main worship of the five houses of Chitos. The middle hall is the Mazu Hall, dedicated to the black-faced and soft-bodied Mazu. And the last hall is the Daxiong Hall, whose main god is Sakyamuni. This temple was built before Yanping County's King Zhang Chenggong came to Taiwan in 1661. Locals say Zhang Chenggong led his army from Luerman in a successful landing and found this Mazu temple. They believe that it was the blessing of Mazu and consequently successfully expelled the Dutch. This temple offers sacrifices to Wen, Wu Guan, and Guo Shangma, who accompany the ship to protect the army, and to enjoy the two sacrifices in the following spring and autumn.
In 1831, Zhenwen Creek flooded, the Mazu Temple destroying it, and the statues were sent to Hai'an and the Narcissus Palace in the three suburbs. In 1913, the 1,000-year-old kingship of the five houses of Fumei Palace in Quanzhou, mainland China, drifted to the vicinity of the temple site. After asking Mazu for instructions, the people welcomed it back and built a temple to worship with Mazu. Increased popularity caused the Notre Dame Temple to be rebuilt 3 times in 1981 and was renamed Tainan Orthodox Luerman Notre Dame Temple. That's a mouthful. The clairvoyant in front of the Notre Dame Temple, General Anderson, is the tallest in the world. They are 66 feet tall, about 20 meters. It was commissioned by Master Lin Zhentong to sculpt.
Hey Jordan, what are today's vocabulary words?
They are consequently, expel, sacrifices, accompany, flooded, suburb, drift, vicinity, rename, clairvoyant, omniscient.
You can't stop.